Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove margins in Word. So let's get started. Simply just open Word, click on blank document, type something and click on layout, click on margins, select the custom margin and set top 0, left 0, gutter 0, bottom 0, right 0. You can set as default if you want this in future, but I don't want, so I'm just click on save. Here you can see our text is shifted on top left corner of the page. Here you can do the same. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.